Good morning, everyone. We're out here another Saturday. We have a full crew going out. Today we have a patio install going on. We have another crew doing 2 separate installations down and out in the Palm Beach area. Felipe and I are out doing estimates, so we have a full day. Crews going everywhere. We have a lot of employees, so we're very efficient. We're able to make it out to 2, 3, 4, 5 different places at the same day. The patio takes about a half a day install, so that crew's gonna be there pretty much most of the day. And then we have 2 other separate crews. One can concentrate on estimates, and the other crew can concentrate on smaller installs. And that way we can knock out a lot of work in one day. Especially on Saturdays. I know a lot of you guys are home for Saturdays. They prefer Saturdays, so here we are for your install and estimate needs.
Down south, Miami guys, they're coming with this like very economical product. Yeah. So their product's now holding up to like 15-mile-per-hour winds. But then regular Sunpro product will hold 40-mile-per-hour winds. The way we do it, we go from 80 to 115.
80 to 115.
Yeah, sustained winds depending on the cloth. Like Omega Tech's a wind abatement system. And then the only difference between the wind abatement and the hurricane is that you got to get permits, and we got to put these brackets in the bottom that hold the bottom. That's the only difference. But it's still the same setup that we're doing. So we're giving clients more for more, and we're not charging for it. I'm taking less of a profit just to give them the better system.
Yep.
This client bundled a stationary screen with 2 motorized patio screens. With Camacho Blinds, we build combo deals around your home. Here, Justin and Jacob are bringing in the product and setting up. With Camacho Blinds, we always come prepared with our tools and canopy to make our work environment efficient and safe from the extreme heat.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm Orlando, the electrician of Frax Electric, where we always provide excellent work at reasonable rates and free estimates. Today we're going to do another job with Camacho windows, but this time I'm going to show you the intricacies that are involved in something like this. We're going to show you the layout, the tools, the setup, all the particulars that goes into one of these high-end window treatment units, especially these electrical shutters. In a few moments, we'll take you in the back and we'll show you the layout that it's involved in doing something as small as this that most people think, but it is involving. And I'll get back to you on that in a second.
The Camacho Blinds team is a great group of guys with great chemistry, always game planning and using teamwork to get the job done efficiently, attentively paying attention to details on how to protect the client's home.
No, you don't know how much I appreciate that. Thank you, son.
Rather keep it and throw it away.
Fuck, keep it racing.
Whether you have old blinds or old screens, our Camacho Blinds team will take them down for you and throw them away for you if you want. We aim to give our clients the best customer service in the home services industry.
Bueno, no puedo decir siempre que no hay una consistencia en todo esto bien.
Marlene, do you want to explain what's going on right here?
What we're doing right now is we're excavating or opening the hole for the new conductor that's going in. Now we're going to pull the circuit all the way from the garage panel all the way to here so we get power for this curtain unit.
Quítala si quieres los hombres,
Yeah.
Se le puede fijar un pedacito más.
No, ahí está bien, se puede remangar por arriba.
Here Alex is measuring the L brackets before making the cut. At Camacho Blinds, we triple check every measurement from estimate to deposit to installation to make sure your product fits right the first time.
Hey guys, earlier I showed you where we drilled the hole in the ceiling in the backyard. This is where we're going up in this attic all the way across. Racy will bring this wire, drop it in the hole itself. This is the one that's going to feed our circuitry, and he's going to tie it back on the way back, because you never leave wires loose in any establishment. Once it's tied in, which we'll do last, then we have the electrical roughed in and ready and prepared to install the electric curtains.
As Orlando mentioned earlier, our licensed electrician Racy is connecting the power source to the motorized screen. We prefer this method because it keeps the wiring hidden for a cleaner look while helping protect the electrical connections from moisture, weather exposure, and unnecessary GFCI trips. As Justin pre-drills the holes on the housing of the motorized screen, Eric is running a quick vacuum sweep. Not only because we like to clean our mess as we progress through the job, but we don't want the shrapnel to damage the screen when it goes up or down. Now that Alex has pre-punched the holes, he can easily drill through the pre-punched holes into the column to anchor the L bracket safely. Having the right tools makes us efficient not only with our time, but the customer as well.
Just so you can get an idea of the basic concepts of what goes into something like this. This little screw, we call them tap cons, they're a little bit more significant. This little screw alone holds 50 pounds per square inch. And there's almost a dozen of these things going up and across, holding your device. So these will have a hold tension of over 4,000 pounds on something that's not even 200 pounds. Just to give a concept of what goes in, that's involved in keeping this thing solid and tight. Anybody can do a job, but let's do it with some aesthetics. This is somebody's house. You want to give them the best product possible. This little thing goes a long way.
Here Racy is caulking around the hole he drilled earlier for the power source. We want to prevent insects from going into clients' attics. Small attention to detail is tangible as we at Camacho Blinds strive for.
Si pegan a un lado para saber lo que tiene. Ahí está pegado. ¿Qué tramo tienes allá? Comparte eso al medio.
Here, Eric is doing a quick wipe down on the screen housing from all the dust it collected from drilling into the concrete wall columns. A clean finish is a presentable finish. Here we are unwrapping and attaching the HD 2.5 bar, which is 2.5 times heavier than a normal bar, is made by Sunpro. This bar is one of the added features that helps against strong winds that goes up to 80 miles per hour. Now Alex here is guiding the fabric through the side guide self-adjusting track. This important piece is critical to help the screen withstand 80 to 115 miles per hour wind, by its technology keeping the fabric in track. The good thing is, Eric, the more you work, the more you're gonna. Here, Justin is caulking the small gaps to give it the ultimate aesthetic finish.
Me trago la muestra, ¿donde está la goma?
Part of the combo deal this client wanted was to have his zebra shades inside his home that are manual. He wanted them motorized. So I put in a motor inside his zebra shades and installed it same day.
Oh, you need the end cap?
We're also going to change this up.
Yo que me he metido mi vida estar estudiando, todavía tengo 48 años estudiando. Ese fue uno de los motivos por los que uno dice que sí, mira,
I'm here, the owner with the guys work. When the owner knows what they're doing, everyone else will know what they're doing. Super important.
No, yo tengo una de...
Hey, hub is excellent. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, hub is nice. Here Racy is finishing up installing the electrical outlet to power both motorized patio screens. This is the final step in the motorized installation process.
Hey everybody. Well, this is the final appearance of the product itself that we've installed. You have a switch for one motor, a switch for the other motor. Technically, a cord and plug-in is considered a means of disconnect, but imagine the appearance of a cord and plug-in, it would be sloppy. This is your finished product, and it's working beautifully. All we know how to do is the right thing for Camacho and anybody else that I work for. Everybody have a great afternoon.
Here me and Eric are programming the motorized patio screens to the client's phone, all powered by a hub. that Jennifer will explain to you later in the video.
So we're gonna go ahead and open shade 1 from outside. You can do this from your mobile phone. You can be anywhere, at the airport, at any time. We're gonna go ahead and do it now. We're gonna go ahead and close it. Now we're gonna go ahead and stop that. And then we'll put it back to the preset mode. It's already programmed.
You know, you're very smart on that. Do that part.
We're gonna stop that and we're gonna open it again.
Explain to them what the hub does. What is the hub this is?
Okay.
New glasses?
Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the kitchen. We're gonna open that.
Yeah. Yeah, the door down.
And stop that, and we can hit preset on this one. And like I said, it's very convenient. You can be out doing groceries, open it up how you want before you come home, whatever mood you want to set. It's really convenient.
So this is the Bond Bridge hub. This is what we use to connect your blinds, whether it's indoor or outdoor, to the app, which you can control from your phone. And we can also use it to connect to Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, whichever you select. So with this hub, what we do is we program each motor to the hub. And then from the hub, we get that and we connect that to our device of choice. So if I want to do a schedule, if I want to open my blinds at 7 a.m. and close them at 7 p.m., I could do that through the app. If I wanted to connect it to Alexa and say, Alexa, close blinds at the end of the day, I'll say, close my blinds, and the blinds will close. The same thing works in the morning. If you want Alexa to open it, you can also do that through Alexa or Google Home or Apple Home, whichever you have. So the regular Bond Bridge hub covers up to 20 devices, and it goes up to about 2,000 square feet home. This is the Pro, which goes up to 50 devices that you can add to it, and up to a 3,200 square foot home. This one also has, if you want to mount it outdoors, you can mount it with the screws and mount it to a roof if you wanted to, or to the wall. And if you want any additional sensors, they usually would go to they're compatible with the Pro Hub, such as like a wind and rain sensor or any other type of sensors.
At Camacho Blinds, we build combo deals around what works for you. Quick installation, seamless setup, and smart home programming so everything works right from day one.